Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you another tastiest cheese filling roll I'm going to do. And I'm going to use it, filo dough over here, which it comes like this. I'm sure now everybody knows about this. This is a very thin layer of dough which is prepared, and this is how they sell it with the box. You can see it just like a paper it is. You can see through. So what we're going to do is, what we're going to need, I want to say that I already made jingle bread, which I call that vegetables and bread from heaven. This is the same vegetables. What I did is I added cacique cheese and feta cheese, whatever cheese you want, shred them and add vegetables and mix it, and then break just an egg. You put the one egg in it and you mix it. So what it does, it holds together. Now over here, you don't need to add anything unless you want to add little red paprika, but it has so much vegetables that I showed you, about 22 kind of vegetables with the cheese. You will have the best taste. So now this filo dough, what we're gonna do is, with the pizza cutter, I'm gonna cut, maybe we can do it half of it, just like this, and make sure that you roll it and you wrap it again, because if you leave it open, it will dry. And if you are really slow worker, like it takes time for you to roll it, to do things, always cover towel on it. Otherwise, you don't have to. So what you have to do, you take 2 sheets of the dough. See how thin it is that you can't even see very well, I guess. So what we are going to do, we have a little bit oil here, any kind of oil that you like. So what we have to do is, let's put this away. We're gonna take the oil and just on the layer, we're gonna just rub like this, and we're gonna take the cheese filling with vegetables. We're gonna fill it like this, and we're gonna roll it once, twice like this. Now you don't have to put any oil, because when you put the oil here and it already rolls, on the second one it gets oily too. Then the corner you roll it and you turn it just like this. Now I can see that it's pretty long it is, so what I have to do, I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna put just like this, and then we're gonna put that in oven. Let me do one more time and then I'll do the rest. You fill with the cheese, don't be afraid, fill it nice, so when you eat you can enjoy the taste. You roll one like this, turn around the both sides, and you roll it again, just like a little sandwiches, just like this. All right, now I'm going to do the rest and then we'll be back. All right, this is the last already. Here we go. You just roll it like this, roll once, turn it over again, just like you roll grape leaves. That's how you do. And you put them next to each other, just like this. Now you take the egg wash, we cut the egg, this is only the yolk, you just rub on it. In case you need, you can always add 1 teaspoon of water if you want. I didn't do it, but you can. Or 1 teaspoon of milk, it will be fine too. Or oil, anything, it will work. So this way your food, it will shine. There you go. It will make it very delicious, look presentable and tasty. Now we're gonna put this in oven, less than half hour or maybe half hour. It will be done. Maybe 30-35 minutes. It has to cook, it has to be red, and then I will put the timer. It's gonna be on 350. I will put the timer, maybe about 35 minutes, and then I will show you. Oh. Okay, we'll be back. All right, now Like I said, I put it on 35 minutes for 350, and look how delicious it looks. This is the way it has to be. Let me see the bottom part. There you go. You see now it's pinkish. Now I'm gonna cut one of them. Of course it's hot, but this is the way you present your guest. It's better to keep it a little bit to get colder. And this is the vegetable with the cheese. That's how it's gonna be. When you just already bite it, the cheese is gonna melt and it comes to from in your mouth. But you don't want to put too much cheese. We don't want to eat only cheese. We want to eat with vegetables. So you can mix in it, which I put cacique cheese, and there's exactly 35 minutes. I put cacique cheese in it, and I put a Greek feta cheese. You can put any kind of cheese in it, mozzarella cheese, whatever, and all kind of vegetables you can cut it, which I did this another video. It calls jingle bread. I call jingle of hearts. It's in Armenia. In Armenian they make this, and people they wait online. So I did that with that vegetable. I mixed it and I made it with the cheese, and this is how I did with filo dough. So you can do even with the regular dough that we made it, but this way, because I had it plenty, I made it. Well, today we made, like I said, this jingle of hearts, and I made it with filo dough, with the cheese filling. In case if you want, you can even put cheese over it, but this is the way they usually do it. That's the original. So I hope you'll try it. I hope you'll try this dish. It's very tasty. Let it cool a little bit and give the kids hands, and they are gonna love it. It will be crunchy, tasty, all kind of vitamins, vegetables, and cheese in it. Well, in case if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, and I thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.